Today's video we are going to be unboxing the December RoccaBox. Hi there guys and welcome. So today's video we are unboxing the December RoccaBox. I am wearing the same thing I was wearing in the last video because I just finished filming the Look Fantastic box, and yeah, this tipped up, so I thought, oh, let's just get it filmed and it's done and dusted. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So let's open this up. Oh god, I need some muscles. So yeah, here is the box. Let's open it on up. So this is £15 per month, or if you subscribe to the 12 monthly deal that they have on, that works out at £13 a month, I think. I have a link. I'll pop it down below in the information box and the comment box. If you give that a click, I'm sure it gets you 25% off your first box. Double check it though, just to be on the safe side. But this is inside the box. We have the edit card. There it is there. And on the edit card it says this edit is called Winter Skin Saviours. And this box has a value of £104.89. Let's move everything up so we can have a little sneaky peek. So there is a sneak peek for you. But let's get digging through here to see everything properly. And if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. The first product we have in the box is a Lucky Dip product. You're going to get one product out of the possible 4. And they are all face washes and they're all by the same brand. I'll show you which one I've got and then I'll just tell you what the other possible products are. So yeah, the product I received was this. So it's by the brand Fade Out, like I've just said, and the one I have is Pure Glow Brightening Facial Wash. Exfoliating gel cleanser infused with vitamin C and a double dose of radiance. That sounds absolutely perfect for me. I am so happy to get this. Oh, and by the way, these facial washes have values between £5.99 and £6.99, so very affordable, that's for sure. So the other possible ones you could have gotten, let's have a look. One called Advanced Brightening Facial Wash, another one called Collagen Boost Brightening Facial Wash, and another one Anti-Wrinkle Brightening Facial Wash. But no, I'm really happy to get this. I love a bit of vitamin C in there. So this has vitamin C, pink palemo and niacinamide in here, so groovy. The second product we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Margaret Dabbs London, and it's Intensive Hydrating Hand Cream. It's 45ml, which is a full-size product, and it is worth £8. And it just says having soft, supple hands is on our Christmas wish list, and this is one of the added benefits of comfrey and its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. It helps soothe and protect your hands. Great brand. I've had a few products by this brand and I've been really happy with them. But it's a bit disappointing to get a hand cream, if I'm honest. I have a ton of hand creams sitting in my drawer that we got from the pandemic, and every now and then since the pandemic we'll keep getting hand creams too, but I can't get excited about any hand creams, I can't, because I'm hand creamed out. But yeah, I don't know. What do you think? The third product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Botanicals, and this is a Cocoa No Time Reverse Facial Serum. It's 15ml, it is a full size, and it has a value of £59.90. It says refined blend of botanical actives, each carefully chosen to boost skin's health and appearance. That's great. I love this. I am using one at the moment. Have I just finished it? I can't remember. Either that I've got a little bit left, but it's somewhere in any way. So yeah, really glad to get another one to replace it. So if I can see, apply 2 to 3 drops to cleanse skin. It doesn't say use day or night, but me personally, I like to use this at night because I find that it's got an oily consistency, and I like using oily stuff on at night time rather than during the day. But yeah, I like this, and it smells beautiful as well. It really does. The fourth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Lip, and it's a CBD beetroot tint. It's 50 milligram CBD. It's a full-size product, and it has a value of £10.99. This award-winning balm can be used 4-in-1 ways: lip balm, lip gloss, a glossy blush, tinted gloss eyeshadow. Oh. It's also infused with 50 milligrams of CBD oil, which is full of anti-inflammatory power and long-lasting hydration for even the driest skin types. CBD oil is perfectly safe to use as the oil is free of the THC traces, so all that's left is the pure natural benefits of the CBD oil. Again, not a product I'm really excited by. So I think I've received this in the past. I think I have. I've received so many Dr. Lip products, it's unreal. It is literally just this in a box. What a waste of packaging. An absolute waste of packaging. That is so disappointing. Yeah, so again, this is not a product that enthralls me at all. Or is it just me? I don't know, but no. So the fifth and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Avant, and this is a Centrifolia. I've said that wrong, I really do apologise. Rose Radiance Capturing Mask. It's a full-size product, and it has a value of £19. Wow, for a sheet mask. Designed to thoroughly soothe and calm the skin, this rose mask contains powerful ingredients that will work to cleanse the skin of impurities and reduce the appearance of redness. Place on the skin, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Once you have removed the mask, then just massage the excess serum into your skin for happy, healthy skin. Okay, well, I know, especially with this brand, there's a lot of controversy out there. A lot of people think it's not worth the money. I kind of do too, but because the skincare is priced so high, because some of the actual face creams and stuff are like over £100 for such small quantities as well. But I enjoy getting them to use them. One, just to say that I've used a face cream that costs that much, and it just makes me feel a little bit bougie. What I've used, I have liked. It hasn't been amazing, but it's been okay. I've never received a mask though by the brand, so I will definitely give this a go to see what it's all about. But yeah, wow, £19 for one face mask. Guys, so this is the Winter Skin Saviours Edit, the December RoccaBox. The box has a value of £104.89. What do you think? Personally, no, I'm not excited about it at all. There's a couple of products in there where I'm like, oh yeah, I'm happy to get them, but there's some products in there where I'm like, really? So let's just take a recap and see what's what. So I am not impressed by the Dr. Lip product. It's a tiny little tube of lip tint. I personally wouldn't want something, because it's like a greasy feel on your lips, which is fine on my lips, but it's saying that, oh, it's 4 uses in one. Put it on your cheek, put it on your eyelids. I don't want greasy cheeks and greasy eyelids. I don't know about you if you like that kind of glossy look, but it doesn't set. No, I don't like it. I don't know. Hand cream. Like I say, the brand is awesome. Really nice brand. I've had some lovely, beautiful products by them. But just for the fact that it's a hand cream, I have so many hand creams. I think we've had enough hand creams for the next 10 years. Like, I've got enough hand creams to last me 10 years. Like, and I don't even think I'm joking. So yeah, the face wash, I'm actually happy to get that because it's got vitamin C in it and I can't wait to give it a go. The Dr. Botanicals product, really happy to get that. I find that my skin really eats that up. My skin loves it. So yeah, I'll have to pop some on tonight before I go to bed. And then yeah, we have the Avant sheet mask, which is nice. I can't wait to try it, but I am not excited about this box. I'm really not. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Am I being a miserable bugger or what? Probably am, to be honest, but I don't know. I'm not excited, really not. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. And yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!